Hello everyone. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to add a double line or double space on your documents on Microsoft Office Word. So there is three methods to do this operation. All you have to do first of all is to open your Microsoft Office document. After that, we are going to select our wanted or uh, the text or the paragraph that we want to add double spacing, and then click on right click on it, and then go to line and spacing, line and paragraph spacing here. After you click, you will find here the 2 points that mean double spacing. It is a two spacing. After we click, as you can see, we added the double spacing on the text. The second method is just going to the home ribbon, of course, after selecting our text, and go to the home ribbon. Here in the paragraph section, you will find this button here. As you can see, it is called line and paragraph spacing. Of course, it is shown as previous, and then we just going to click the two number or the double spacing. Or you can just click on the expand option. Here we can find the spacing options here. As you can see, we have now the single spacing, and if you click on the menu, you will find a double or multiple spacing, but we want the double one. As you can see already on the preview, it has been spaced. If we click OK, the space has been applied. Or another option is to right click and go to the paragraph option, and of course you will find exactly as the previous when we expand the section here. And as the previous method, here are the spacing settings or spacing modifications. Of course, we want the line spacing here, and we are just going to click on double and click OK. So this is how you double space your text on Microsoft Office Word. Thank you for watching and goodbye.